Well, today we have a really special Lotus, and as a Lotus dealer, we're very proud to have a Lotus Esprit Sport 300, which is the road-going version of the X180R, and made it in 64 units for the entire world. Right, so we're going to take the Sport 300 for a run, and you tell us what you think. Well, here's our Lotus 300 Sport cold start. I think I'm going to put the AC on a little bit. Nice. Let's put the windows up. And let's go. Surprisingly, once you get in, there's plenty of room. Someone's door is open. Or it's not open, because Armand just knows how to shut the light. Good times. Didn't we say in the past that we really shouldn't do this in rush hour? I think we did, because this is some pain. Alright, well, as you can see, we're in traffic, and this is perfect to warm the car up. And then we'll do our usual road tests and flybys and be back to you. Alright, well, we are at operating temperatures. Everything is working. We've opened the windows to hear the car a little bit. Put the headlamps on. The cool part is this. I love this. It's like when it winks, if you want a flash to pass, look at this. It winks at you, and then it goes down. Oop, winks at you again. Down. Okay, headlights on. So you can tell it just feels special because it is special. I must say, a buddy of mine who I raced with and raced for quite some time ago won the championship in the United States with the X180R race cars. And I don't know, it's just cool. It's cool with the fender flares. It's cool that there are only 64 in the world. So it was coming up on the later V8s that also look cool, but this is limited production cool. So we're gonna run it through the curvaceous roads, little twisties in a minute, do our flybys, and again, you guys tell us. Okay, well, Armand next to me is asking me whether Colin Chapman would be proud. I personally think he would, but we'll have to see. I think Colin would be very proud. I think I'm proud. I think it's fun. It's beyond go-kartish. Does everything right. It's special. I'm special. He's special. Colin Chapman was really special. But we're going to turn in, let Armand out, and do our flybys, and come back to you. Well, we've just finished our flybys. We're going to take it down a couple more twisties and then get on our farm road and show you how she goes. Everything works, AC, nice and cool. Sounds like we're going faster than we actually are, but it is a go-kart and it's really, really a lot of fun. Well, farm road, our usual, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, it'll cruise forever all day long, fourth, third, and if we want to get on a little bit, and I think that's enough on the farm road. And I don't know what else I could tell you other than it's a really special car. It's number 29 of 64. You're not going to run into another one anytime soon. There you have it, Lotus Esprit Sport 300. Available from Motorsport Designs. By all means, give us a call or email if you're interested.